Yeah, that's my boy saying he about to hit up this song called That Bitch.
Here we go. One. Okay.
Now my whole body, I don't give a motherfuck. Now my whole body, I don't give a motherfuck. Now my whole body, I don't give a motherfuck. Now my whole body, I don't give a motherfuck. Yeah,
Now I had this bitch, man. Pussy was so good, I didn't wanna switch, man. So I stuck with it, fell in love with it. Didn't want no weather, got my mind feeling like a stormy weather. But the bitch had a flip side, had another nigga locked up inside. Yeah, the bitch left me, killed my kid for the shit. But I thought I was in love with the bitch, so I let her do me bad too much times and shit. Man, I was gonna kill the bitch, but I reminisced in my mind. Was the pussy really that fine? So I said, fuck that, got another dog. Fucked it 10 times, dog, man, I made it fall. Then I left the bitch just to get over the shit. So now I got my mind on another bitch. I'ma make her feel hella rich with the love that I give. Nigga, that's just how I sang. Listen, nigga, don't forget it.
Now my whole body, I don't give a motherfuck. Now my whole body, I don't give a motherfuck. Now my whole body, I don't give a motherfuck. Now my whole body, I don't give a motherfuck. Now my whole body.
Name is Saint, I've been through the pain. Got my brain feeling hella insane. Do nothing but reminisce the game. But one day my clique will be at the top. No win Saints in the game. I ain't never gonna stop. Make this money, flip it to the top. Nigga step back, know I'm holding this Glock. Know I bust you off like a man that's on my clock. My words spit hella hot like a flame. One day my mind will flow away. So today no stress, so fucking anyway. No, I gotta get this paper, that's why they call me money maker. Yeah, that's right, boss dog, 36 G's. Yeah, I was rolling hella hard, but I must not have played the right card. So I'm sitting at the bottom, yeah, I feel hella hard. Yeah, that shit made me fall down to the bottom. But the shit, yeah, that's why I sang, kept me down. But that shit ready for another round. What?
Yeah, now my whole body, I don't give a motherfuck.
What?
Now my whole body, I don't give a motherfuck.
What?
Now my whole body, I don't give a motherfuck.
Now my whole body, I don't give a motherfuck. What? Now my whole body, we don't give a motherfuck.
Yeah,
at the end of the song, I'm gonna freestyle that shit. Yeah, I killed the track, and you know I did, bitch. So step the fuck back, I'm done with the shit. All these niggas running out their mouth, it's all they fucking do. They ain't really staying true to their crew. All these fake ass dudes do nothing. Game over, bitch.
Yep.